Welcome to Simplified Maths again. Let's do some more trigonometry and one geometry problem. Let's go. Okay, it's given that tan A equal to 12 by 13. Find the value of 2 tan A cos A by cos square A minus sin square A. Okay. So easiest way of solving this is let's say tan A is given as 12 by 13. So you draw a triangle with opposite side as 12 and adjacent side as 13. So you will get uh, the remaining hypotenuse, right? And then you can derive your sin A, cos A, every value you can derive basically from that. Okay, you understood. That is the easy way. But let's say if the numbers are not given exactly and um, it may be expression, algebraic expression, tan A is given as algebraic expression, how you solve it. Okay, this is just another way of solving the same problem. I feel, this is easy for some cases. That's why I'm showing this way. Okay, we will apply following rules. 2 sin A cos A equal to sin 2A. Directly you can replace the numerator. Cos 2A is cos square A minus sin square A. So you can replace the denominator. And then tan 2A you will get tan 2A is nothing but 2 tan A divided by 1 minus tan square A. So we just apply this. So the given expression basically becomes tan 2A. And tan 2A is nothing but 2 tan A divided by 1 minus tan square A. Okay, so simply just substitute the values you and simplify the numericals. You'll get the answer as 312 divided by 25. This is what you'll get. Have the given expression, that is tan 2a equal to this much if tan a is 12 by 13. Okay, next. Okay, this is a problem. Normally most of the um, problems in trigonometry begins with some such problems actually. So I choose this problem just to give a heads up. An aeroplane is at an altitude of 200 meters. Okay, that means it is 200 meters high. Observes an angle of depression of opposite banks of the river to be 45 and 60 degrees. Find the width of the river. Okay, so if you see OC is the height of the aeroplane and it is looking at the two banks of the river, which is river is AB and two opposite banks are A and B. A at 45 degrees angle and B at 60 degrees angle. Okay. So here if you see the problem carefully, similar problem has come many times where they also mention that the two banks of the river are two different sides of the plane. In that case, the position of C will be in between A and B. Okay, that means aeroplane is in between the river, on top of between the river basically and the above. And he from the plane he is observing two angles on the two sides of the plane. Okay, but this is it's not given that. So here in this case the river is on the one side of the plane. Okay, and he is observing two opposite banks of the river as angle of depression as 45 and 60 degrees. So this is the picture drawn. Okay, once you draw the picture, I mean it's very easy. 45 degrees triangle OAC and triangle OBC, you can take right angle triangle, so then you can solve the problem very easily. Okay, BC equal to OC cot 60, correct? If you apply, which is 200 divided by root 3, cot 60 is 1 by root 3, right? So AC equal to OC, which is the 200 because the angle is 45 degrees, so it will the OAC will become isosceles right angle triangle. So AC will be equal to OC, which will be 200 meters again. So AB equal to AC minus BC. So 200 minus 200 by square root of 3. So hence the river width is 200 into 1 minus 1 by root 3. Okay. Just be careful with the question. If the two banks of the river are on the same side of the plane or two opposite sides of the plane. Okay. Just observe from the English carefully. Okay. This is another kind of problem which comes very easy problem. just a basic trigonometric function. So just I want to tell you this is another kind of problem which you will get. A 20 feet flagpole casts a 15 feet shadow. What is the angle of elevation of the sun? Okay, so you have to just draw the picture, which is very simple. So the 20 feet flag is there and it is casting a shadow of 15 feet, that is AB, at an angle of elevation of the sun, which is theta. So we need to find theta. So tan theta is opposite by adjacent, so 20 by 15, right? So tan theta is 4 by 3. So theta is tan inverse of 4 by 3. Okay. If you know the value, approximate value, you can put the angle also. So, but the answer is tan inverse of 4 by 3. This is another kind of trigonometric problem which you get. No. Yeah. And yeah, little more deeper we'll go now. Find the expression y equal to square root of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into square root of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into square root of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 cos 8a. Okay, where a is pi by 12. Okay, so one way of solving this is pi is 180, we know. 8a will become 8 into a, that is by 12, 8 into 8, 8 into 180 by 12. So yeah, I mean 2 by 3. So it will become 120. 80 will become 120. Then cos 120 you can find and replace the value. That is one way. Okay. Let's say angle is not given. Just find the expression. Simplify the expression. That's the question. Then how to solve it. Okay. If angle is not given, let's say we will apply following rule. Cos 2a equal to 2 cos square a minus 1. Okay. This is the one we will apply here mostly. So the given expression y will become, okay, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, square root of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, then square root of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus square root of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. And instead of cos 8a, I am writing 2 cos square 4a minus 1. Okay, applying the rule which I showed above. Okay, so that will become, if you simplify this square root of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 2 cos square 4a minus 1, it will, you can clearly see it will become cos 4a. So the expression will become square root of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into square root of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 cos 4a. One square root is gone basically. And cos 8a has become cos 2a. Similarly, you reapply the same above equation. Another square root will go off and you will get 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 cos 2a. Okay. This is nothing but you apply again. Right. Same rule, you will get cos a. So given expression is nothing but cosine of a. Okay. And whatever a is given, angle is given, you can apply now. Okay. Pi by 12 or whatever is the answer. Okay. So in trigonometry, yeah, it's very easy to solve when you substitute the angle and get the values. That's easy. But always you may not get the luxury of remembering the trigonometric values of the given angle. It may not be 30, 60, 45 or 90 degrees. Okay, you may get some intermediate angles also. So the best way of solving the problems is, as I said earlier, remember all the trigonometric formulae. Easiest way of remembering them is keep practicing. Okay, practice more and more problems, you will remember. They will be in your mind. Okay, go next. Okay, another trigonometric problem here. Sine to the power of 4 pi by 8 plus sine to the power of 3 pi by 8 plus sine to the power of 4 5 pi by 8 plus sine to the power of 4 7 pi by 8. Okay, equal to how much? So this is another this is the problem I was talking about. Pi by 8 is around 22.5. So you cannot I mean have a table of every sine or cosine angle, right? So now this is where you need to definitely apply your trigonometric formula, right? So let's see how to do this. First thing is, yeah, you remember this equation 2 cos a equal to 1 minus sine square a. Same thing. Previous question I told you cos 2a equal to 2 cos square a minus 1. I'm just replacing cos square a with 1 minus sine square a. So you will get 1 minus 2 sine square a. Okay. So we will apply this and then simplify the expression. Okay. So and another thing is 5 pi by 8 and 7 pi by 8. So sign of that one I will simplify. I will bring them to the same. Sine 5 pi by 8 is nothing but sine pi minus 3 pi by 8. Okay. Which is nothing but sine, because sine pi minus 3 pi by sine minus pi minus theta, which is sine theta. So you will get sine 3 pi by 8. Okay. Similarly, sine 7 pi by 8 is nothing but sine pi by 8. So actually there is a repetition of same sine pi by 8 and sine 3 pi by 4, 3 pi by 8. Okay. So if you simplify one, you basically get the other. Okay. So the given expression has become sine to the power of 4 pi by 8 plus sine to the power of 4 3 pi by 8 plus sine to the power of 4 5 pi by 8 plus sine to the power of 4 7 pi by 8 equal to I am dividing with and multiplying with dividing multiplying both numerator and denominator with the 4. Okay. So I wrote the denominator here common 1 by 4, and the numerator where I am multiplying by 4 I am taking inside a square, so it has become 2. 2 square is 4, right? So I'm rewriting it as 2 sine square pi by 8 whole square plus 2 sine square 3 pi by 8 whole square plus 2 sine square 3 pi by 8 whole square plus sine 2 sine square pi by 8 whole square. Okay, rewriting. First two and last two are same basically. Okay, and I am applying the equation sine square a plus cos square a equal to 1. So sine square a is nothing but 1 minus cos square a. So I'm applying here. Sine square pi by 8 will become, no, sorry, no, yeah, sorry, I am applying 2 sine square a equal to cos 2a minus 1. This equation I am applying. 1 minus cos 2a. That's what I am applying. 2 sine square a equal to, say, 2 sine square a equal to 1 minus cos 2a. If you readjust this equation, right? So that's what I'm applying here. So each one I am replacing with 1 minus cos 2a, right? It will become, so it will become pi by 4 whole square plus 1 minus cos 3 pi by 4 whole square plus 1 minus cos 3 pi by 4 whole square plus 1 minus cos pi by 4 whole square. Now it is in the terms of pi by 4. Pi by 4 is 45. Then we know cos value, cos of pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, right? So we can just directly replace the equation here. 1 minus 1 by root 2 whole square plus 1 plus 1 by root 2 whole square. Okay. Why it has become plus here? Because it is 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 means it will go into the third coordinates. If you remember the all silver coordinate, all silver teacups, it is gone to the third quadrant. So third quadrant cos is negative. So negative into negative, minus into minus will become plus here. Okay. So basically you have expression of 1 minus 1 by root 2 whole square plus 1 plus 1 by root 2 whole square 2 times. You simplify this, basically you will get 1 by 4 into 3 plus 3. Okay, which is equal to 3 by 2. Okay, so this is the answer. So this is a classic way of using the trigonometric formula to simplify the expression and then bringing the answers. Okay, now next. Okay, this is a geometry problem. I just saw this. This is very interesting problem. We have two ways of solving. First, I will solve it in the traditional way, and then I will tell you, I mean, how quickly you can get the answer. I mean, yeah, without solving the problem. Okay, there is a big circle with center O. Okay, O is not mentioned. The center is here O, and AC is the diameter. Okay, and its radius is x. Okay, so that is OA or OC equal to x. And there is a small circle. Okay, just next to the big circle. I mean, next to it, cutting at one point basically. Okay, and then there is a tangent drawn from small circle at point D to the top of um, big circle's point. Okay, point on the big circle like C here in this case. Okay, a tangent is joining from the top point of the big circle to the small circle, which is next to the bigger circle. Okay. So now we need to find value of CD. Okay, that's the question. I did not mention here, but yeah, we need to find the value of CD. Okay. Okay, I draw the lines here just to, these are all useful lines. We will use them in the problem solving. Okay, OA equal to OC because O is the center of the bigger circle, which is equal to X, and CD equal to how much? This is the question. Okay, I didn't mention in the question, but this is the question. Okay, now what I will do first is let the radius of small circle equal to Y. Let's call it Y. Either it can be PD here. Okay, this will be Y. Okay. Now, next what I will do, join both the centers of the circle. Okay, that is OP. Okay, what is the OP length? X plus Y, correct? Because this is X radius, this is Y radius, X plus Y, OP. Okay, and draw a perpendicular line from P onto AC. Okay, from P I am drawing a perpendicular line onto this diameter AC. Okay, so at E you have 90 degrees here basically. Okay, that is PE is perpendicular to OE. Now AE equal to PB, correct? AE equal to PB because this is 90 degrees. So PB and AE will be same. So AE is also Y. That means OE is X minus Y. Okay, this is X minus Y. So OPE is a right angle triangle. So apply Pythagoras theorem. You will get OP. You will get PE. Okay, OP square equal to PE square plus OE square. Okay, we have OE value, we have OP value. So we can get PE value. So PE equal to X plus Y whole square minus X minus Y whole square, which is equal to 4XY. Okay, note down this. Now, join PC. Okay, center of smaller circle to the top of bigger circle point, which is PC. Now, if you see, CPE is a right angle triangle again. Okay, CPE. From this, what I will get? I have the value of PE calculated in the previous step. Then I have the value of CE already. Then I can get the value of CP. Okay, CE equal to X plus Y. No, CE is not X plus Y actually. CE equal to 2X minus Y. Okay, I wrongly written here. CE equal to 2X minus Y. Okay, and PE is 4XY. So CP square equal to 4XY plus 2X minus Y whole square. Okay, this step here is wrong. This is 2X minus Y actually. CE equal to 2X minus Y. So with this, uh, I got the CP. Now there is another right angle triangle here, CDP. CDP. Why it is right angle triangle? Because PD is the radius and DC is the tangential to the circle at point D. So this radius will make a 90 degrees at tangent with the tangent, right? So this is the 90 degrees at D. Okay. So PDC also right angle triangle. Okay. DP makes 90 degrees with tangent to DC. Okay. Right angle triangle. So here CD is I can same apply the same Pythagoras theorem. CP square equal to DC square plus DP square. Okay, which means DC square equal to CP square minus DP square. CP is nothing but calculated there 4XY plus 2X minus Y whole square. Okay, and DP is nothing but radius of smaller circle, which is Y square. Okay, so minus Y square. Now if I solve this, I'll get 2X whole square. Sorry, that's not 2X. I'll get 2X whole square. This is okay, 2X whole square. So CD equal to 2X is the answer. Okay. So what is so interesting about this question? Okay. If you see, there is a bigger circle, there is a smaller circle attached to the bigger circle, and only bigger circle radius is given, which is F. And they are asking to find the value of CD. Okay. And the CD value we found is 2x, which is double the radius of bigger circle or diameter of the bigger circle. Okay. And if you observe carefully, it is independent of smaller circle radius. Correct? It is independent of smaller circle radius. Means you have a very small circle, bigger circle, it doesn't matter. The value is always twice the radius of the circle. You understood this point? Okay. Always twice the radius of bigger circle. Correct? Okay. So, if you remember that, the alternate way of solving this problem is very simple. Okay, you have given like this, you need to find CD. Bigger circle radius is x. Okay, you increase the smaller circle, bigger, still CD will be same, and you make both the circles same. Okay, and you need to find out CD. How do you find out CD? CD is nothing but sum of two radiuses of the circle. Correct? OP is nothing but sum of two radiuses of the circle. Both circles are same in size, so x plus x. So CD equal to 2x, right? So you don't need to solve all this. Once you know that in this equation CD is independent of smaller circle radius, you can always say it is double the radius of bigger circle, right? Hope you understand the alternate way and yeah, this problem. Okay, thank you. So these are the trigonometric equation. Keep looking at more and more, and you need to solve problems related to each of them actually. I will try to bring in more problems which require other equations also, usage of other equations. So keep learning. Yeah, keep remembering these equations. Thank you.